elote today, like Mexican street corn. This stuff is delicious. Let's make it. I have the kernels of 2 ears of corn in here. I'm gonna cover this with water and I'm gonna let it boil for 15-20 minutes until the corn is cooked but not mushy. Okay, then I'm gonna drain it and we'll make our elote. So I put some of that cooked corn in a little bowl. I'm going to squeeze some lime on the corn. I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, little bit of Mexican crema. You can use sour cream, by the way. Cotija cheese, you can use queso fresco. Just a salty white cheese is good. So now we're gonna add a little bit of Tajin. These are chili peppers with lime and salt. They're very strong, so don't go overboard. Now I'm gonna put more corn on here. And we'll repeat. Lime, little mayo, cream, cheese. You don't need to add salt to this. Between the Tajin and the cheese, you're good. And we finish it up, and there we go. We'll serve it with a little more lime. Oh, this is really, really good stuff. All right, let's taste these. I'm gonna put more lime in there. We'll mix it up a bit. This stuff is really good. Probably not good for you, but once in a while, why not? Oh, and now in the summer, where the corn is so sweet, this is good stuff.